guys, welcome to another video and make sure to like and subscribe to today's video. I'm going to be starting as 1, 2, 3, 4 3x3 cube, and make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. And now let's solve it. First one we gotta solve this one. It is pretty decent. It had no magnet. Then wait. Okay, subscribe for more content, guys. Okay, subscribe for more content. And we have done of solving this, the first 3x3 cube ever, and yeah, let's get to the second one. Which one is the sticker one? No magnet still, not even in the corner, not even over here. And now let's solve it. And 3, 2, 1, go. This one is so rough. Oh no, I'm a bad feeling. And we have done solving the 3x3, the second one, the 3x3. And now let's get to the third one. Which one is the same? That's this one. But it is really more good because yeah, I made it good. I put some drops, I think, and you can see it's good. And we are about to solve this. Then we are done of solving this, the third one, I guess, Rubik's cube. And now this is the magnet one, as you can see, but over not here, but over. And now let's solve it. And we are done of solving this, the fourth and the final cube. And make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and bye.